Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. My family has a great new addition to our cookbooks. Knife Drop by DiGiovanni. I love that it's creative recipes anyone can cook. He gives you a really good basic of what to start out in the kitchen, but then he explores such amazing recipes that anyone can make. They are fun, they are original, and yes, he has a great sense of humor. We tried our first orange chocolate pancakes and it was exquisite. We made the whipped maple butter and I couldn't get enough of it. You will love it. This book is a great addition to any kitchen. It will be a great gift for a friend. So enjoy the savory ride of this amazing, talented chef, Knife Drop. You will love to read this and you will love to cook with it. And that's just my point of view.